Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope all are doing well. I am Ujamel Haq, senior assistant teacher, Police High School, Kumila. Today, I want to teach a lesson on grammar, transformation of sentence for class 6, 7, 8. At first, I want to explain what is transformation of sentence. Can you say anybody? Okay, I give an example. He is a clever boy. Make it negative. Make it negative. Yes, he is not a clever boy. সে একজন চালাক ছেলে নয়. Negative. But another sense, again, he is a clever boy. Again negative, make it negative. We can say he is not a, the opposite word of clever, yes, fool. He is not a fool boy. Both the sentence we change the formation. He is a clever boy, he is not a clever boy. He is a clever boy, he is not a fool boy. Here meaning is not changed, but here meaning is changed. He is a clever boy, negative, he is not a clever boy. Formation and meaning both is changed. But here he is a clever boy, he is not a fool boy. Here only formation changed, but not meaning changed. This is transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence means to change a sentence without changing its meaning. Students, mind it. It is changing sentence without changing meaning. Okay. I am going to explain it in the monitor. Yes, he is a clever boy, make it negative. And he is a clever boy. At first he is not a clever boy, then he is not a fool boy. In the first example, both of the meaning and formation is changed here, so it is a conversion of sentence. On the other hand, second time only formation is changed, meaning is not changed. So it is transformation of sentence. And dear students, I think already you have understood what is transformation. There are many criteria. That means affirmative to negative, affirmative interrogative, affirmative exclamative, voice, etc. Today we only discuss affirmative to negative sentence. Write down all the sentence. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. There are many rules. At first, rule 1, we want to discuss about only. In this case, if there are person, Allah or God, then none but. You look example, only Allah can help us. Obviously, negative. Can you say Yes. None but. None but Allah can help us. Another example. Only Halim can. Negative. Yes. None but Halim can. If there are thing or object, then nothing but. I have you written it? Now another example. Only nothing but in the case of thing, that means বস্তুর ক্ষেত্রে I need a red pen only. It is also negative. Make it negative. So then, in case of only, nothing but. I need nothing but a red pen only. Another example. He needs a cow only. Negative. He needs nothing but a cow. He needs nothing but a cow. Again, there are three types of only. At first I say you. So, last one. In case of only, we can use not more than or not less than. Snigdha is only 12 years old. Make it negative. Today we are discussing affirmative to negative. Yes. In this case, we can use not more than or less than. Yes. Snigdha is not more than 12 years old. Or Snigdha is not less than 12 years old. She is only 12 years, not more than or not less than. This rule is for only. Now we go another rule. Must. Rule 2. There are many rules. Rule 2. sentence there must, we use must এর পরিবর্তে আমরা cannot, but, or cannot help এবং ভার্বের সাথে ing. One example, you must do it. Make it negative. Can anyone say yes? You cannot but do it. Another, or you cannot help. Here verb is do, so ing, doing it. Another common example, we must die, so make it negative. It is for you. Yes, we cannot but die. In another case, you can say we cannot help die. Have you understood? Yes. Dear students, there are many rules. Now we are going to tell about some words in the case of universal truth, or our habit, or historical present, or another words that can we change sentence by using opposite word. At first, man is mortal. Sorry. Make it negative. It is a universal truth. Man is mortal. If we say man is not mortal, then it is not change the meaning. But in the case of affirmative transformation, we want to not change the meaning. So man is not. What is the opposite word of mortal? Immortal. Yes. Immortal. Another example. He is a rich man. Make it negative. Yes, he is not the opposite word of rich, poor. He is not a poor man. Another example, he is an honest man. Negative. He is not honest. Opposite, dishonest. Yes, he is not a dishonest man. Here look, an honest man, but a dishonest man. Here not an. You already learn about rules of articles, where we use a and where we use an. Another example, he is wise. He is wise. Make it negative. Can you say what is the negative of this word? Yes. In case of wise, we can use foolish or unwise. He is not foolish. That means buka, gyani buka or unwise. Dear students, there are many examples. We see another some example. D. I am pleased. Make it negative. I am not. The opposite of pleased, displeased. Another example, the man is active, make it negative. The man is not. Opposite word of active, inactive or lazy. Lazy or inactive. Another example, they are happy, make it negative. Very easy sentence. They are not. This is common, but happy. Opposite word, unhappy. Huge example. We cannot finish example. You try at home. Have you written? Yes. In the next class, we discuss the rest of the rules. Thank you all, but I say a few words. You all know that today we are passing our days in a very difficult ways. We are in our house. Our school is closed for indefinite days, and so we should stay home, stay safe, and we use masks when we go to outside. We follow the rules of health and eat protein and vitamin rich food. That's today. Thanks all.